How to get ad code on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get ad code on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your Instagram account and then you're going to click on the profile at the bottom right. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to your profile. After that, you're going to open the post that has that ad. For example, I'm going to click on this one and then you're going to click on these three dots at the top right of the post. And you'll be able to see numerous options. You're going to scroll down and click on partnership label and ads. Once you do so, you'll be able to see two options. One is add paid partnership label and the other is get partnership ad code. So you're going to toggle this button on. And once you do so, you'll be able to see two more options. One is copy and the other is share. So you can simply copy the code and paste it in any message or email, or you can also share it directly to anyone on your Instagram. So that is basically how you can get ad code on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.